Monday morning, and Marvin's head is coming along good. These new supports are holding up. It's just got past the level of the mouth though, the looks of it. I've got first of his fingers. I'm going to need 4 of these, 2 for each of those hand wrist sections, and they'll pop inside. And this one's just about 3/4 of the way down. I set it running last night before I went to bed. Like I said, 3 more to pop off. My little silk print came out well, and Cura here, this is what those fingers will look like when they're done. And what else we got here? I say Marvin's head section, that's up to about here at the moment, so still a long way to go. Alright, let's see what else I can get up to today. 1:45 p.m. Marvin's head's coming along nicely. Bit of support there for his nose. Looks like it got a bit flaky, but that shouldn't hurt at all. Everything else is looking good on the side, and the first batch of fingers has come off. Looks great. I really don't think I needed those supports, because the overhang looks like it was handled perfectly. So anyway, I'm gonna crank it up and start on a second set. Right, Tuesday morning, and Marvin's head's looking pretty close. All the way up to 79%, and second hand has come off. So I'll clean that up and add it to the first one. We should be good. Time to get a third one running. 2 more to go. Hey, Marvin's head getting close to completion. I chucked the eyes and the grill in just for effect. Third set of fingers coming off. Here's one of his hands. Put the fingers in there just for effect. Yay! So, doing pretty good. Tuesday night, just before I go to bed, and after 73 hours and 12 minutes of printing, here we go. We've got the larger Marvin head done. Got to rip off some supports there. I've got his third set of fingers coming off there. I'm just waiting for that to finish so I can put the last set of fingers going. And that's been good. So I think I'll go and take this into the games room and just show you this one next to the smaller one, just so you can see the size difference. Give me a second to prise this off the bed. Okay, so actually, while this thing's waiting for the bed to cool down so it pops off, I thought it was probably easier just to bring the old one next to the new one. So yeah, there you can see the actual size difference between them. So like I say, old one, lift him off, put him down, yeah. So he'll come out at 5'2", but this one scaled for 5'10", closer to the actual 6-foot model. So yeah, they come along good. And as I waiting on one more set of fingers to print, which I can put into the hand there. So that's Marvin's hand moving around, so I can paint and position that as well. So yeah, bits are coming off slowly but surely. I guess next thing I need to do is sort out the main body part on the TronXY, because that's going to be the largest one. That's probably going to be well over a week of printing on that one, so I need to get that going tomorrow. Alright, well that's enough for tonight. I'll catch you all in the morning.